Stoughton Hospital encourages you to give yourself the gift of health and wellness this holiday season. With one quick screening, you can detect the signs of heart disease while there's still time to stop it. To learn about calcium scoring or other preventative health screenings at Stoughton Hospital, please call or visit our website today.
Stoughton Hospital proudly supports the Stoughton High School Madrigal Singers in Sounds of the Season, Christmas Eve at 10 p.m. and Christmas Day at 6 a.m. on NBC 15. Brought to you by Blackhawk Community Credit Union.